जानवरों के नाम means animals name. Panda means panda. This is a panda. Battak means this is a duck. Zarafa, this is a giraffe. Ghoda means horse. Saap means snake. Hiran means deer. Lomdi means bull. Zebra means zebra. Bandar means monkey. Gada, this is a donkey. Oont, this is camel. Dumba, this is sheep. Murga, this is cook. Khargosh, it is rabbit. Gaye, this is cow. Hathi means elephant. Kutta, this is dog. Daryai Ghoda means hippo. Bakri, this is a goat. Sher, this is a lion. Cheetah, this is a tiger. Billy, this is a cat. Repeat animal's name. गधा, मुर्गा, बंदर, ऊंट, लोमड़ी, घोड़ा, खरगोश, जराफा, दरियाई घोड़ा, पांडा, ज़ेब्रा, सांप, चीता, गाय, हाथी, हिरन. Thanks for watching.